Howdy, howdy. This video is for Alberto. My name is Joseph Graham. So, a couple things. I'm based out of Fort Worth. I'm a marketing consultant. I help businesses with their sales process from A to Z, which means like how they're even attracting clients all the way to follow one up with their current clients and the customer service to do upsells. So like the whole process, right? And in this video, I wanted to make a heat map for you, right? To show you how to get the first calls. But the thing is, you don't even have a map listing, which is one of the first key elements to generating phone calls. Let me show you. So the first element to generating to more calls and more sales is having a G&B map listing. You don't have one. I mean, I can search for, real foundation repair all day with this phone number, and all we're going to get is a Facebook page, which is okay, right? Now that you know, there's nothing to create one. So how do you make one? You go to Google My Business, right? I mean, if we need to set it up for you, just let me know. But it needs to be set up right in the right way, and then you go to sign in, and then you're going to be faced with some questions on how to, information about your business. But that is one of the first things you need to do, right? Because if I'm looking for a foundation repair, this is what's going to happen. It doesn't matter if I'm looking for this, if I'm looking for a painter, if I'm looking for a foot doctor. These top three businesses in these map listings get 80%. 80%. I don't know if you heard that. 80% of the phone calls, which is why it's important to even have a map listing so that you can be eligible. Now, just because you make a map listing doesn't mean you're going to appear in these top three. That takes work. That takes time. But when you do, you will be getting 80% of the phone calls. So what I've been doing was I've been making these videos so like other people have map listings, right? But not everybody is ranking in those top three positions. So let's just take up here North Richland Hills. Where was that guy? One of them is just like all green. So like you see this guaranteed foundation repair, they're getting a lot of phone calls, the first phone calls in this North Tarrant County area. You see, they're one, twos, and threes. It doesn't matter if they're in Saginaw. If I live in Saginaw, they're number two. These top three businesses are getting the first phone calls, right? Which means they're getting a lot of calls. They're making a lot of sales, all right? So, and having a site, like a legitimate website to showcase your work and everything that you do, which is going to help build trust with the people that you're going to be doing because foundation repair is a serious investment, as you know, right? And it just helps when someone is searching online and then they can go to your site, see some of the stuff that you've done, other stuff that you might offer as well. Okay. So if you need help setting any of this stuff up, just let me know. But for the most part, we have to establish this map listing first. Okay. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. All right.